Blake,
What?
how cold are you?
Really cold.
Like, how cold?
Really cold.
You shouldn't stand in one place, Blake.
I have to stand here for 5 minutes.
What for?
For $1? Give me $2 for 5.
I don't know about that.
Oh, that's freezing.
Can you dance? Dance.
No.
Dance in the snow.
No.
Come on.
Too cold.
Just give me a Michael Jackson move. What is that? The snow walk? What do you have on, Blake?
Shorts.
What else?
Shoes.
What else?
Socks.
What else?
That's it.
Oh, it's cold. I gotta close the door.
Yeah, you just let all that heat.
And you always got something to say, don't you?